Okay, welcome back guys. In this lesson, we are going to see how we can add more skins to the runner prefab so that the player can select between them. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is to open our runner prefab right here. Awesome. Then we are simply going to add more skins to this runner prefab. So let's just maybe click the body type avatar right here, just for Unity to take us to the folder. Okay, so let's add some more. Oh no, we need to enter the prefabs folder actually, like here. So let's add this one. Maybe we can add, no, I don't like this one. Oh, this one is funny. Okay, so it's 3 now. Let's maybe add this one. Looks like a sausage. Okay, let's add this chubby one. Okay, maybe we can add, yeah, this one looks funny. Okay, maybe, oh, I like this stickman. Okay, cool. So how much more do we need? Oh, I like this fat one. So I think that we have, yeah, it's 8 elements now. Yeah, 8 elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we need one more. Let's add this one. Okay, cool. Perfect. So let's select all of them and right click prefab unpack, just to unpack the prefab. Then we are going to rename them skin 01, and then we are going to rename them again. And finally 8. Okay, cool. So let's apply the same transform that we've got here. So select the first skin, right click, copy component. Then we can select all of the other ones, right click on the transform component and paste the component values so that they have the same scale. Okay, cool. Now that we've applied the transform for all of the other ones, we are going to select all of them and we are going to add a controller, which is the new runner controller, like we've done for the first skin. And we need to disable the apply root motion checkbox. Okay, cool. Now we can add the material for all of these guys. So let's see what's their name. So, oh, each one of them has a different name. Ah, that's an issue. So we need to add them, to add it one by one. Or maybe we can select all of them. Let's see how we can do that. So first we select the first skin, go to the material folder. Okay, let's now select all of the other skin mesh renderer, like so. Drag the runner material and drop them here. Okay, perfect. Now all of them have this material. Cool. So now that we've added all of these characters, we are going to add a script to the runner game object that will be responsible for selecting the skin that the player wants. So first off, let's disable all of the other skins, like so. And we can select our runner, click the runner script right here, just to go to the folder, and create a new script. Like so. So let's name it runner selector maybe. Yeah, I think it's a good name. We can drag it, drop it again on the runner game object, like so. Okay. And let's open it. Cool. So in this script, we are simply going to create a method. It's going to be a public method because we are going to call it from somewhere else, maybe the player animator, or maybe we will add another script. So public void select runner. And of course, we will need an index. So int runner index, just to know which child we are going to enable. Okay. And then we can disable all of the other ones. All right. So in this method, we are simply going to loop through all of the children of this component. So transform.child count. And then we can check if the index I, so the index we are currently checking, is equals to the runner index, then we are going to enable the children. Okay. So let's say transform.getChildI.gameObject.setActive true, like so. And we also want to let the runner script know that this child's an animator needs to be used, okay? If you remember well, in the runner script, we have a reference to the current animator. We need to change that whenever the player selects a skin, okay? So let's add a new method in the runner script. So it's going to be a public void set animator this time. And we are going to pass in an animator, like so. Animator, okay. We are simply going to change the animator of this class to the local animator in this method. And yeah, that's it. Let's go back to our runner selector. So here we can call, let's add a reference to our runner first. So runner. Let's make it private first. Okay. And yeah, let's show it in the inspector. So serialized field. I can't type today. And I've made an error. Serialized field, not serialized. Okay, cool. Sorry. I haven't even made a header for that. So let's make one. Okay, cool. I'm still a bit sick. So yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna be all right. Okay, so let's now apply the animator in the runner script. So runner.setAnimator transform.getChildI.getComponent animator, like so. So this line basically is setting the animator to transform.getChild. So it's going to get a children and it's going to get the animator of that specific child. Okay, so let's go back to the script. Otherwise, we want to disable the game object and that's going to be it actually. So transform.getChild. GetChildI.gameObject.setActive false. Perfect. I think that's everything we need right here. So let's go back to Unity, select the runner, and attach the runner class to the runner reference right here in the runner selector. And yep, we are pretty much done right here. So now let's go back to our scene. And next time we are gonna create a new script that we are going to attach to the player, which is going to be the player selector, and it will help us change the skin for the runner prefab and also for all of the children of the runner's parent whenever the player selects a skin from the shop. That's cool. Let's see how we can do that.